Hey, do you want to learn how to see your Discord checkpoint? This is going to be a quick guide, so let's get to it. First, you need to open up Discord, and on the top here, you're going to see this flag icon. This is your checkpoint. You can press on it to see your checkpoint journey again. It's going to be available till 15th January 2026. And if you don't see it, it probably means that your account is currently new and they do not have enough data on you. If you want to see it on mobile, it's only available for iOS and not on Android. The Android version, they have removed it for now. Still, to see it on mobile, you need to open up Discord application on your mobile. Then on the bottom right, you'll see this U icon. Press on it. After that, under Edit Profile or above About Me, you're going to see your Discord checkpoint right around here. If it is not there, again, there are some possibilities like you're probably new, they don't have enough data on you, or you are on Android. If you're currently on iOS, you would see it over here. And that's it. That's how to see Discord checkpoint on PC and mobile. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Discord related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.